Now let us work on contractions. Contractions. Till now what we have learnt is directly with respect to that specific chapter. Now contractions means we are still nurturing, right? We are tightening the outline. Let me say, if you have some pulses which are stored, which are to be poured and stored in a container, you have poured everything, this much quantity is left. You are not using it right away. It is a condition that you should not keep it separately. Then what to do? Will you eat? No chance. So you somehow make adjustment by tilting, doing something and adding the remaining portion of the pulses and placing the lid. You are tightening, you are contracting and then putting it. Right? Here in contractions, we omit some of the consonants in between and make an outline. That is what is contraction. What we do, we omit some of the outline, some of the strokes from the outline. So to start with, omission of omission of p. How do we omit? From where we omit? Like assumption, assumption. Practically, is there the sound of P existing? Assumption. There is no P. When there is no sound of P, why should we write? Because of the spelling? No need. So, stroke is yam shanhook. Stroke is yam shanhook. Assumption. Remember, we don't need to write any vowels also. For contractions, for like grammars, for contractions also, no need for vowels, right? Temptation, temptation. There is no sound of P. Temptation. That's it. Exemption. There is no P. Gay. Sarclasium. Shanhook. Now second. K. Sound of K or gay occurring between ing and t is omitted. Sound of K or gay occurring between ing and t is omitted. Adjunct, like we did in something like judge, J-U-D-G-E, judge. There is no sound of D, so we have omitted in those days itself, in the initial days of our learning. So, adjunct, K is not available. Junct, adjunct, no D, no K. J, J, ing, T, adjunct. Extinction, extinction. Ink, K is not there now. Extinction. Got it? Same way, medial T is omitted where it is lightly sounded. Honestly. Honest, we write still loop. Honestly, there is no T. N circles down L. Honestly. Tasteful, we don't say tasteful. It is very tasteful, right? T circles full. Tasteful. Mistake, though it is pronounced hard, we can delete and make it M circles K for our easier joining. Got it? In phrases also, if you take there must be, there, M circles B, there must be. Most important, M circles imp is most important. Your last letter, we are not saying last letter, your last letter. So, your last letter. Got it? Now let us go with some, let us do with some of the contractions. Presumption, omission of P, per circles M shan hook. Resumption, re circles M shan hook. Exemption, G circles M shan hook. Assumption, Stokes M shan hook. Redemption, re D M shan hook. Temptation, T M T shan hook. Extinction, K circles T ing shan hook. Function, F ing shan hook. Sanction, circles ing shan hook. Anxious, ing ish circles. Anxiety, ing circles T. Pessimistic, P circles M circles K. Optimistic, P howd M circles K. Postage, P circles J. Postpone, P circles P N hook. Postcard, P circles K downward or howd thickened. Postage stamp, P circles J circles imp. Substitute, circles B circles T howd U diphthong. Substitution, circles B circles T shan hook. Mistake, M circles K. Mistaken, M circles K N hook. Mostly, M circles L. Testimony, we write testimony, T circles M N. Testimonial, T circles M N downward L. Consumption, circles imp shan hook. Distinction, D still loop ing shan hook. Manifestly, MNF circles downward L. Trustworthy, ter circles very it. Textbook, TK circles BK. These are contractions. We'll proceed in the next chapter.